I'm Lerrin Reinecke, and I'm a family law attorney at Goranson, Bain, Ausley. My goal in helping clients with young children is to set them up for success in the future. While focusing on the children's best interest, we can build a schedule that will take them from the time the child is a baby until the time the child graduates from high school. The Texas Family Code has standard possession schedules for children over 3, but many of my clients have children under 3 years old. A very common question is, what will my possession schedule look like for my young child? The courts consider a number of factors when looking at what type of schedule is in a young child's best interest. This means that families can tailor a schedule to fit the child's developmental needs and changes and to fit with what works with this family. For example, if the child's breastfeeding, that might limit the other parent's possession with the child, particularly if it's a child that doesn't take a bottle. That's not to say that the other parent won't have meaningful possession of the child. Even 2 to 3 hours several times a week will create that important bond between the parent and the other child. When contemplating a possession schedule for children under 3, it's important to take things one step at a time. What works for a 3-month-old might not work for an 18-month-old. For example, when and if the child starts sleeping through the night, the possession schedule might change to allow for additional overnights. Building in stair steps that will fit with the child's developmental changes over the years is key to a successful parenting plan. We can't anticipate every issue that might come up, but we can try to tailor a possession schedule that will fit your family and focus on your child's best interest. Having a plan to handle future disputes might help you avoid litigation down the road. My top piece of advice would be to put your child's needs above your own. Depending on your relationship with the other parent, it might be helpful to spend some time together to familiarize yourselves with the child's routine. For example, if one parent has historically been doing the bedtime routine, it might be nice for that other parent to come over and experience that bedtime routine. That not only helps the other parent become familiar with what's going on in the child's life, but it would also make the primary parent feel more comfortable with what's going on at the other parent's house. My final piece of advice is that it's important to find a team of professionals who can guide you through this process. Having a lawyer who understands the joys and difficulties of parenting a child under 3 could make all the difference in your case.